everyone. So if you follow me on Instagram, you might be wondering where my 2019 setup video is, and it is all recorded and I just have to edit it, and I promise that will be the next video. But I needed to go ahead and get this video up first because I think that every beginning of the month I'm gonna do like a new releases shop update type of video. So in this video I'm gonna show you what got released today, first Friday of December, which is this January kit, and then I'm also going to do the November subscription reveal of what you got in that subscription if you are subscribed to our monthly kit. And then I'm also going to just talk about a few shop updates. So first is our January kit. This artwork here is from Sequins and Paper. She also has some of these artworks in her shop too as graphics for the journaling cards and some dashboards that she does. So make sure to check her out. I'll link her down below. So the January kit is called New because the theme is New Year, obviously, but I didn't want it to be New Year's Eve specific. I wanted it to be where, okay, we're starting a new year, new goals. So that's what some of this deco is around here, like planning. And in this first sheet here with the books, it says style, hustle, self-care, and love. Just some things, like some priorities in my life, and I think in all of our lives. Just some coffee, of course, hustle and heart, just to remind us to always follow our passions, not just hustle, but to hustle for the things that we love and are passionate about. And then some things just about like creativity, and then also about, this is representing like me time or rest time for me, and then these were representing like taking care of yourself and how you present yourself to the world, and just showing up and being that girl of your dreams, which, speaking of, I'm going to be introducing something very soon about being the girl of your dreams, so stay tuned for that. I'm super excited. But all of these are kind of like just focuses and motivation for the new year. And then the January hand lettering, I updated all the months and days hand lettering, so you'll see that as things get posted up in the shop. And then here we have the icons. So before we had the circle icons, I changed it out to doodle icons just for a new look for 2019. I'm trying to make a little bit of tweaks for the new year. I did a poll on Instagram and a lot of people really love the doodles, so I decided to try that out. And you get a lot, I think you get a lot more doodles than you got icons on the last sheet. Then you get some mini flags to mark things on your calendar. And then there's the this month and next month. These are just white with a black outline. And then you have some marble washi strips on the bottom. So that's sheet A of the January kit. Also, I wanted to mention any of the boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes, full boxes, and even headers, I have shortened. So the width used to be 1.5 inches long, which is like the standard Erin Condren size width that everyone like sizes their stickers to. I have changed mine up to 1.25 inches. I think I mentioned this before, but in case you missed it, I'm kind of tweaking things to fit any size planner, even pocket size planners, so everything's a little bit smaller. And so these are 1.25 inches wide. So that's sheet A. This is sheet B. And these are all the full boxes. And because I did make these a little bit smaller, again, they're 1.25 inches wide. I had a little bit space at the bottom, so I just added an extra washi strip there. But I really love how this turned out a lot. New Me Hoodis kind of goes along with the theme new. So kind of like, you know how we always say new year, new me. So those, you get 8 full boxes. That's sheet B. And then sheet C is the flags, quarter boxes, and half boxes. instead of making black, I used to do these in black with a white inside, and I got some feedback that a lot of people don't really use the darker, like the colors that are too dark. So I decided to try an outline. I really like how it turned out, just a very minimalistic look. And then we have gray, this like pale pink and marble, and then these two colors and patterns will probably change out month to month, and these might remain the same. And then, so that sheet C, and then sheet D is all the headers and the bottom washi. So we got today to do in little things, 7 of each, and then some extra ones in this light pink color. And then here is the bottom washi, and this is basically for people that use Erin Condren's. At the bottom, they like to cover up the extra lines with thick bottom washi, but I know a lot of my customers just cut this up and use it however they want in their planners, just some extra washi there. So yeah, that's all the sheets in the January kit. I really like how it turned out. I think Nicole from Sequins and Paper did such an awesome job in the artwork. It's so pretty. I hope you guys like it too. This is available, this kit is available in my main shop, in the Etsy shop, and the printable shop. So you could take a look at that. I'll link those down below. So those of you who might be new, every first Friday of the month, I have a free download on my website. And this month I made these year at a glance for 2019. And I kind of reformatted those that have gotten it before. It's a little bit different. I just decided to try something new. And this is available as a free download on my website. And it comes in pocket, personal, and A5 size. So just 3 sizes for now. I know some people are into A6, I think, and B6, and even half letter, but in 2019, I might try to get into that, but for now I'm sticking to the standard 3 sizes, pocket, personal, and A5. So yeah, these are double-sided. So January through June on one side, July through December on the other. And when you download it, you just print one side, flip over your paper in your printer, and print the other side. There's crop marks for you to easily trim them down. And yeah. I hope you enjoyed that. Every first Friday is customer appreciation, so this is just my small way to say thank you for all your support. And then now I'm going to do a reveal of the goodies that came in the November subscription kit. So I think most of you should have received it by now, but if you haven't and you want to be surprised, then click out now. So everything comes like in this black bag here. And this is how it looks when you pull it out of the black bag. So you always get 4 sheets of stickers, a freebie, which this time is this journaling card, and then 2 extra stationery items, which is this album and this pen loop. So I'll show you the album first since it's just out already. So this is an album that I actually use an album like this for my stickers. I only use one album and it's exactly like this. And so I thought that maybe you guys might enjoy this as well. What I really like about this album is that it's very portable because it's super thin and light. And being a minimalist, I do fill up every single sheet of this sticker book with my stickers, but then that's it. I don't have anything extra. All this extra stickers I have, my own stickers plus stickers from other shops, fit in this photo album or sticker album. And then so I just got some cardstock, laminated cardstock with a marble background, put some gold foil bows on the front and the back cover. I thought it turned out super cute, so pretty. So I'll do a video soon to show you how I set up my sticker book, but I really thought this would be very useful, very portable. You could take it with you. I know I really like those other sticker books that like Happy Scrappy, I believe, has, but they're super thick, and so that might be good for home, but for on the go, I really like this size a lot. So I thought you guys might like it too, and I hope you do. So that was one of the extra stationery items. And then the other was this pen loop. So I added a little photo so you know what it was, but this is what it looks like. And here's what it looks like inside my planner. It's this right here. So it's just elastic. It fits over your planner strap, and then you can stick any other extra pin in there. So I have this pen loop here, but then I always love to carry my Mildliner with me wherever I go. So I love having this extra pen loop. And so I went in and bought this, and I'll link the shop down below where I got them from. I think it's called like Grace Planning or something like that. I'll link her below because she has other colors available. I got all black for the subscription, of course, but she does have other colors available, so I'll link her down below if you want to buy some more. So yeah, that is the second extra stationery item, and so far I've heard a lot of good feedback that people have been loving this. And then the freebie that you get that everyone got for November is this journaling card. It's on very nice thick cardstock paper, and it is laminated, so it has a very nice smooth soft feel to it. This says "Jammin' on my planner," and this is a quote from Parks and Recreation. This size is a pocket size, so that way pocket planners can use this as well if it's perfectly into a pocket planner, or you can layer it into your other size planners. And it's unpunched, so you could punch it however you like, or just use a clip to stick it in. It's just blank on the back. And then lastly are the stickers. So you always get 4 sticker sheets in each subscription. So this month we got these doodle stickers. I just called it finances because we have the money symbol, credit card. I thought this could be for like paydays, or it could also be for bills. This can be for bills or shopping. And then I also put clocks because I know for me, I use this for reminders to do my time card, to submit my time card, but you can use it for appointments or anything like that. These are cut out around the edges. So I thought these were super cute and useful, and you get a lot of them. And then the second sheet are these brush strokes. So I left some blank ones down below, but then I also added some headers there, some common headers that you can use. I thought these came out super cute. And then we have some marble boxes. So I sell these in the shop right now. They're probably going to go away soon for the longer ones, for the 1.5 inch widths. These widths are 1.25. Like I said earlier, I'm making everything a little bit shorter so it's more universal across all size planners. So we have some quarter boxes and some half boxes. And then the last sheet is something new that I'm trying out, and I've always wanted to try a photo kit, and I think I've did maybe 1 or 2 like in 2017, I think. And then I kind of just tried it, and then I didn't do it anymore. And I really want to go back because I really love photo kits, or I really love the look of this. So I decided to put it together and try it out. And so you might be seeing more of these photo type of stickers. I did do winter vibes and a little bit of Christmas, but I tried not to make it too Christmassy for those that don't want too much Christmas, stickers, or don't celebrate Christmas. So I try to make it more wintry. I thought these photos were really beautiful. And so yeah, that's everything that I wanted to show you guys today. And so just a couple of updates. I'll do a more detailed one later, like probably in a video, but also in the newsletter. So make sure you just subscribe there. But basically, there's going to be, a lot of changes coming to the Planner Spot. I'm really excited about it. There's going to be a lot more content. So that's mainly what it is. There's going to be some tweaks like I showed you here, like sizing and like changing out some things. Like I changed out these. I change out icons for doodles and stuff like that. But for the most part, what's really coming is a lot more content. I wanted to bring a lot more value to you guys with videos, blog posts. I was even thinking about probably doing maybe a webinar, maybe one every quarter or something like that. And I definitely want to be more consistent. I know this past year has been, not totally consistent, and it's just that I was really trying to juggle my full-time job, day job, plus the shop stuff, plus family and things like that. And then I had some health stuff. And so it was really kind of hard to stay consistent. But a big goal of mine for 2019 is to be really consistent with content, like videos and blog posts every week, and like more regular new releases. Like every Friday something new will come along, every Friday morning. So I'm really going to try to be doing that. I'll give you more details in the coming weeks of December. I'll kind of like just update you little by little each week for the remainder of this year. And so thank you so much for sticking with me through it all. Please stick with me through 2019 because I have a lot of cool ideas that I really want to share with you guys. I'm really excited about. Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed all these goodies, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.